Hey guys, Dr. Eric Chludzinski here with Fanwood Back Relief Center, offering short-term care for your back and neck pain. Today we're going to offer you a quick health tip. Crack the door for a better night's sleep. Getting a better night's sleep could be as easy as just cracking open a bedroom door or window. In a small study, researchers monitored the sleep of 17 healthy volunteers for 5 nights and discovered that a better ventilated room led to better sleep depth, sleep efficiency, and fewer awakenings, possibly due to lower levels of carbon dioxide in the air. For more information on this or anything else on our website, or if you just simply have a question, just give us a call. We're happy to answer your questions. Thanks for listening.